विवेकानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूं। आज सबसे पहले महाराष्ट्र के सभी भक्तों को गुड़ी पड़वा की हार्दिक शुभेच्छा। गुड़ी पड़वा की त्योहार चैत्र मास का पहले दिन मनाई जाती है। चैत्र नवरात्र की आरंभ को लेकर आज के दिन घटस्थापना या कलश स्थापना होती है। संस्कृत भाषा में पड़वा का अर्थ है चंद्रमा की उज्जवल रूप। इस पवित्र त्योहार के अवसर पे आप सबको मेरा हार्दिक बधाई एवं आशीर्वाद। Today is also Uhadi. My blessings to all the devotees from Karnataka and devotees from Andhra and the people of Karnataka and people of Andhra. Let this year be auspicious for all of us. Blessings. This year is the year of victory, Vijaya. It will be victory for us in all forms. Today, I'll expand on the fourth principle of life, enriching how it transforms the reality of your life. आज की सत्संग में हम जीवन के चौथे तत्व लाभान्वित करना कैसे आपके जीवन की वास्तविकता को परिवर्तित करती है उसके बारे में बात करेंगे। First, I will define enriching once again. Enriching is you taking responsibility with integrity and authenticity, that you are committed to continuously enriching, which is expanding yourself and life in and around you. पहले लाभान्वित करने की परिभाषा पुनः सुनिए। लाभान्वित करने का अर्थ है आप संपूर्ति एवं श्रद्धा के साथ उत्तरदायित्व लेते हैं कि आप लगातार स्वयं को और आपके अंदर एवं बाहर के जीवन को लगातार लाभान्वित करने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध हो। Enriching you and others transforms your reality. लाभान्वित करना मत शब्द ही लाभान्वित करती है। Always people feel, I have seen many of the disciples seekers come and tell me, Swamiji, from now we will start living with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and build our future as we want. But what about all the mess up we have done in the past? All the mess up we have done in the past, what about that? How to get rid of that karma? I tell you, enriching you and others, you take one step more than responsibility. That alone can burn the past lack of integrity, inauthenticity and irresponsibility. What is enriching? One step further, going one step further, integrity, authenticity and responsibility. Please understand, enriching is taking responsibility for everyone. Taking responsibility to remove everyone's inauthenticity, everyone's lack of integrity. When you serve the country, country serves you. When you serve somebody, the person serves you. When you enrich, cosmos is so happy with you. The whole universe serves you. Enriching you and others alone can transform the reality of your life. केवल स्वयं को एवं अन्य लोगों को लाभान्वित करने से ही आप अपने जीवन का वास्तविकता को रूपांतरित कर सकते हैं. Enriching is taking responsibility for everyone. लाभान्वित करने का अर्थ है कि आप सबके लिए उत्तरदायित्व लेते हैं. I tell you from my own experience. Just because I decide to enrich all the religious persecution, the attack done against me has become powerless. It lost its power. स्वयं को और दूसरों को लाभान्वित करना उत्तरदायित्व लेने से एक कदम अधिक है. बस वही आपके जीवन को परिवर्तित कर सकती है. आपके अतीत की असंपूर्ति, अश्रद्धा, गैर जिम्मेदारी सभी को भस्म कर सकती है. Constantly people ask me, especially the spiritual seekers, they ask me, Swamiji, we understand we should practice integrity, authenticity, even responsibility. But why should we enrich others? Please listen. For you, life happens with others. You are not living in a forest, inside a deep, dark cave where nobody is there. Your life is all in you, for you, by you. No one knows you, you don't know anybody. If you are living like that, then you don't need to wonder or think, worry about enriching. But your life is not like that. Where you are involved with hundreds of people and hundreds of people are involved with your life. Sometimes thousands are involved. If you are a public figure, millions are involved. When your life is involved with so many people and so many people's life is involved with you, if you want any transformation in your life, I tell you, you have to work on transforming others' life also. Otherwise, you may do continuously meditation for days, months, raise yourself to a very high level of joy and bliss. The moment you come back to your house, in 10 minutes your spouse can bring you down. 10 minutes is more than enough. One look, one word, you are down. Or even one phone call. you can be down. Only with enriching, listen, only with enriching your life can go through any transformation. Only with enriching any transformation is possible. Without enriching, nothing is possible. I tell you from my own experience, मैं स्वयं के अनुभव से कह रहा हूँ, केवल मेरे विश्व को लाभान्वित करने का निर्णय से ही मेरे ऊपर किया गया धार्मिक अत्याचार शक्तिहीन हो गया है। कई बार लोग मुझे पूछते हैं, मैं दूसरों को लाभान्वित क्यों करूं? लिसन केयरफुली, ध्यान दीजिए। आप कोई जंगल में नहीं जी रहे हैं। आपका जीवन लगातार अन्य लोगों से जुड़ा हुआ है, इसीलिए अन्य लोगों को लाभान्वित करना बहुत आवश्यक है। When many people are involved in your life and your life is involved with many people, enriching is important, necessary for any transformation. Listen, if you want to be wealthy, have the company of wealthy people, or people who are in your company, make them wealthy. If you want to be healthy, be in the company of healthy people, or make the people in your company healthy. If you want to be spiritual, listen, have the company of spiritual people, or the people who are in your company, make them spiritual. There's no other way. As by nature, your mind is programmed to go out. Like Krishna says, by your nature, your senses are programmed to go out. You are programmed to go out. Going out can only be in two ways. Either to enrich or swindle. Surely swindling others is not going to transform you. Only enriching others is going to transform you. अगर आप धनवान बनना चाहते हैं, तब धनवान लोगों के संग रहिए। अगर आप शक्तिशाली बनना चाहते हैं, तो शक्तिशाली लोगों के संग रहिए। अगर आप आध्यात्मिक बनना चाहते हैं, तो आध्यात्मिक लोगों के संग में रहिए। For any big achievement, you have to have the company of that people. संभाविक रूप से, स्वाभाविक रूप से आपका मन बाहर जाने के लिए बनाया गया है। Only when all those dimensions of you, the commitments of you are complete, honored, you can experience fulfillment. You can experience restful awareness. internalize, continuously internalize whatever I am saying, to experience the reality of your choice in your life, which you should first transform and enrich the reality of others around you. आपके जीवन में अपने मन चाहा वास्तविकता को अनुभव करने के लिए पहले आप अपने करीब अन्य लोगों की वास्तविकता को रूपांतरित एवं लाभान्वित कीजिए. Only when people around you are living with the highest integrity and authenticity, you will be experiencing the complete integrity and authenticity. Only when people around you live with responsibility, you will start enjoying the power of responsibility. Till then, you are only in the practicing mode. Listen. As long as people around you don't practice integrity, authenticity, responsibility, you are only struggling. You will only be struggling and practicing, because constantly your mind will tell, I am so integrated but others don't reciprocate it. I am so responsible, others don't reciprocate it. So any day it can be, your responsibility can be broken, integrity can be broken, authenticity can be broken. But if you have enriched and others also are living the integrity and authenticity, integrity becomes reality in your life when everyone around you is living it. Authenticity becomes satya, reality in your life when everybody around you starts living it. You will start enjoying responsibility when everyone around you. You are totality of many dimensions you are living. Only when all those dimensions, commitments are complete, honored, you can experience fulfillment. You can experience restful awareness. आप कई परिमाणों की समग्रता है केवल जब आप उन सभी परिमाणों को पूर्ण करते हैं. आपके वचन आपकी प्रतिबद्धता को पूर्ण करते हैं, तभी आप पूर्णत्व का अनुभव कर सकते हैं. तभी आप सही सचेत जागरूकता का अनुभव कर सकते हैं. केवल जब आपके आसपास जो लोग हैं वे उच्चतम संपूर्ति एवं श्रद्धा के स्थिति में होते हैं, तभी आप पूर्ण तरह से संपूर्ति एवं श्रद्धा का अनुभव कर सकते हैं. When you want to work with your life and transform your life, you have to work with others' life also. Enriching means taking responsibility for everyone. I tell you, when you take responsibility for others, the extraordinary powers starts flowing through you. When you start enriching others, the whole cosmos starts expressing through you. Whenever you enrich others, the energy flows through you is cosmic energy. If you want to experience cosmic energy, just start enriching others now, today. The excitement you feel, the freshness you feel, the readiness happens in you, the joy happening in you, the inspiration happening in you is cosmic energy. Pure cosmic energy. Your past karmas are burnt when you enrich others. When you enrich others to live with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, simply your past karmas are burnt. I have a story. एक सरदार अपने मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट को एक घंटे से देख रहा था. बीवी बोली, तुसी इन्हीं देर से की देख रहे हो. सरदार ने कहा, एक्सपायरी डेट ढूंढ रहा हूं. Listen, your marriage depends upon the stability of your spouse. You cannot be complete in your marriage. Only if you are stable, you are integrated. If your spouse is not integrated, your marriage cannot be a successful marriage. In every step of your life, you will be successful only with others participating in it. Only when you enrich others. आपकी शादी आपके जीवन साथी की स्थिरता पे आधारित है. One story. A 20-year-old boy comes back to his father, confesses to him, saying that I am in love with our neighbor girl. I am proposing to her and I wanted to marry her. Father immediately collapses on the sofa and says, no, you can't do that. She is your half-sister. The guy is completely disturbed. Anyhow, obeys the father, comes back after a month with the next proposal saying, the opposite house girl is in love and he is already proposed to her, he wants to marry. Again father collapses and says, no my son, sorry, she is also your stepsister. He begs, don't tell your mom, but it's too much. Third time, again he comes back and same thing is repeated. Now it is too much, he is not able to handle. He rushes to his mom and cries, see what your husband has done, whatever my dad has done. Any woman I propose, he says, she's your sister. What can I do? Whom will I marry? Mother says, don't worry my son, among the three you can marry anyone because he is not your father. Understand? Sometimes the lack of integrity of people who live around you costs too much to you. So any completion, any fulfillment, any success is possible only if people around you are also living with integrity and authenticity and fulfillment and completion and responsibility. Without they living integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching, you can't listen. Without the people around you living integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching, you can't achieve completion in integrity, responsibility, authenticity. So enriching is one of the important spiritual vow. In a way, when you enrich others, in few days it comes back to you as more enrichment. Enriching others raises your understanding about tattvas, finally comes back to you as higher enrichment. जब आप दूसरों का उत्तरदायित्व उठाते हैं तो आप में असाधारण शक्तियां प्रदर्शित होती है। यदि आप ब्रह्मांड की शक्ति का अनुभव करना चाहते हैं, बस आज से दूसरों का लाभान्वित करना आरंभ कीजिए। जब आप दूसरों को संपूर्ण श्रद्धा और उत्तरदायित्व के साथ लाभान्वित करते हैं, आपके अतीत के कर्म भस्म हो जाते हैं। आपके आसपास के सभी लोग जब उत्तरदायित्व उठाते हैं, तभी आप उत्तरदायित्व उठाने का आनंद ले सकते हैं। एक 20 साल का लड़का अपने पिता के पास जाता है और कहता है, मैं एक लड़की से प्रेम करता हूं। पिता ने मूर्छित होकर कहा नहीं, कहा नहीं, वह लड़की नहीं, वह तुम्हारे बहन है। कुछ दिनों के बाद लड़का फिर से आता है और दूसरी लड़की के बारे में बताता है। पिता फिर से कहता है, नहीं, यह लड़की भी तुम्हारी बहन है। कुछ दिनों के बाद लड़का यही किस्सा फिर से होता है। लड़का बड़ी व्याकुलता के साथ मां के पास जाता है और यह बात बताता है। मैं कहती है, मां कहती है, दुखी ना हो बेटा, उन तीनों में से तुम कोई भी लड़की से विवाह कर सकते हो क्यों कि तुम्हारा पिता कोई और है। I think still I need a little more training to cut jokes in Hindi. I apologize. I'll get trained to crack jokes in Hindi, because if you miss the punchline, you will be laughing in some other time. I can't afford it. जब आपके आसपास जो लोग हैं वह संपूर्ति में नहीं रखते, तब आप भी संपूर्ति एवं पूर्णत्व के स्थिति में नहीं रह सकते हैं। Understand life. Your life is not just yours. Whether you want it or not, understand or not, as long as others are involved in your life, you are involved in others' life. So decide enriching others' life, enriches your life. See, all the people who enjoy the infrastructures of the society, only when they enrich others' life, society enriches them. When you don't enrich others' life, your life cannot be enriched. This is the essence of what I wanted to express today. All the Lotus TV viewers, Satsang will continue on Sadhana TV and Nityananda TV. If you want to see the Satsang continuously, you can switch to Sadhana TV or Nityananda TV. We will continue the satsang. In every step, every level, when you enrich others, life enriches you. When you enrich others, life enriches you. आपका जीवन केवल आपका नहीं है, यह निर्णय कीजिए दूसरों को लाभान्वित करना आपको लाभान्वित करता है। यदि आप दूसरों को लाभान्वित नहीं करेंगे, आप स्वयं भी लाभान्वित नहीं हो सकते हैं। Continuously, only when you desire to enrich, life flows through you. By enriching others, your own heart starts imbibing those truths. Listen, if you are struggling with some problem, you know the solution, your heart is not accepting. Start giving that solution to others, your heart will listen to it. I tell you, if you are struggling with some solution, you are not able to accept it, still the tug of war is going on in you, give that solution to others, your heart will start living it. Listen, the practicing period, if it ends in success, it is called practicing period. If it ends in failure, it is called hypocrisy. Otherwise, in quality, see, while you practice, are you visualizing success in the end? Are you unconsciously imagining failure in the end? If you are unconsciously, constantly imagining failure in the end, it is hypocrisy. If you are clear about visualizing success in the end of the tunnel, if the light is seen, it is practice. End of the tunnel, if the darkness is seen, it's hypocrisy. Continuously enrich, enrich, enrich. When you enrich others, you will be enriched. Because knowledge is such, only by enriching, you will expand. That is why in Hindu tradition we have this great truth as a faith. If one person becomes sannyasi, the 7th generation is liberated. I tell you, from your family, if anybody has become sannyasi, I can be guaranteed, especially if they are in the Sampradaya of Nityananda order, I maintain such a high level of purity of sannyas in our Sampradaya, I guarantee if one person in your family has become sannyasi, your 7th generation is liberated. Because they create so much of punya, so much of goodness they create. Because in our Sampradaya, such high integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching is maintained. When you enrich others, not only you, everyone around you, all their karmas are also burnt. जब आप दूसरों को लाभान्वित करते हैं, आप भी लाभान्वित एवं विस्तारित होते हैं। आपके आसपास के अन्य लोग अगर संपूर्ण श्रद्धा, जिम्मेदारी और लाभान्वित किए बिना जी रहे हैं, तो आप संपूर्ण श्रद्धा, जिम्मेदारी और लाभान्वित करने में पूर्णत्व नहीं पाएंगे। इसीलिए लाभान्वित करना एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण व्रत है। दूसरों को लाभान्वित करने से स्वयं आपका हृदय उन सत्यों को अपनाता है। यदि आप कोई समस्या के साथ संघर्ष का अनुभव कर रहे हैं, आपका हृदय आपकी बात नहीं सुन रहा है, आपके बात नहीं सुन रहा है, तो उस समय उस समस्या का समाधान दूसरों को दीजिए। आप देखेंगे कि आपका हृदय उसी बात को सुनता है, अपनाता है। हमारे शास्त्र कहते हैं कि अगर एक मानव सन्यासी बनता है, तब उसके वंश में 7 पीढ़ी लाभान्वित हो जाते हैं। हमारे शास्त्र कहते हैं कि अगर एक मानव सन्यासी बनता है, तब उसके वंश में 7 पीढ़ी लाभान्वित हो जाते हैं। Enriching others is the best way to use your human life. I tell you, life is a failure if you think in your old age you should have done all this when you were young. In your old age, if you think you should have done something which you have not done when you were young, life is a failure. I tell you, enriching others is the only way you will not feel your life is failure when you are old. That's the only way you will feel your life is a success. The essence of today's satsang is continuously enrich others. दूसरों को लाभान्वित करना ही आपके जीवन का सर्वोत्तम उपयोग है। आज की सत्संग का सारांश है, आपका जीवन एवं वास्तविकता स्वयं और अन्य लोगों के जीवन का मिश्रण है। इसीलिए लगातार स्वयं के साथ साथ अन्य लोगों के जीवन को भी लाभान्वित करते हैं। केवल यही एक मार्ग है जिससे आप अपने जीवन में कोई भी वास्तविकता का सृजन करके उसका अनुभव कर सकते हैं।
जीवन मुक्ति प्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय